How can you tell when a snake is just relaxed and chilled out and not bothered by anything? And what is the difference between a snake that is not comfortable and feeling a little bit anxious and nervous and so on? Well, when a snake is comfortable and enjoying and happy and feeling safe, their breaths are pretty normal. When a snake is feeling very uncomfortable, they breathe a lot faster. Now I've been sitting here patting Myah, and I was doing that for a good 5 minutes, and she loves it. She doesn't mind it at all. Her breathing rate doesn't get any faster. She doesn't try and get away from me. She's still moving at a very slow, relaxed state. There is no hurry, no bother. That's me touching her back, which is really their vulnerable point, is their back. She can't see what's touching her. She has no idea. Well, she does. She knows it's me. She has no reason to be feeling insecure or afraid or nervous or anxious. I am rubbing her gently and softly. You know, I don't slap boom, boom, boom on Myah. I could do that a little bit to Jack. He's a big boy. Myah, gotta just treat her a little bit more gently. And, you know, this is why it's the importance of spending time with them getting to know you and them getting to trust you, so that you know that by patting them, it's not going to bother them. And I'm not patting, I'm actually rubbing, am I not? But I think Myah quite likes it, because if she didn't, she would be breathing rapidly, she would be moving, she would be trying to get away from me. But she never does. She just lays there. And she'll lay there for as long as I'm willing to pat her. Myah is willing to lay there. She's one of those girls. And no, they're not all like this, but Myah is one of them. And the only way you'll ever know is if you spend time with them yourself. Then you'll find out, won't you? You know, I can only say that I have the snakes I have, with the temperaments that they have, because of the time that I've spent with them. You know, I don't believe, you know, well, you just got lucky with the snakes that you have. No, I don't believe that. I think all of you guys are just as lucky with the snakes that you do have as well in your life, and are equally have the ability to enjoy having a pat. Well, rub. Keep saying pat. Pat me dogs. Don't pat me cats. I also rub my cats. But check out their breathing. It'll tell you a little bit about what they're feeling too. you know, along with their movement. You know, are they moving their head, you know, here, there and everywhere, trying to see where they can go and where they can get away? Well, you know, you've got a little bit of a snake that's afraid and nervous. No, this is just Myah hanging out, enjoying a time out. I've cleaned out her enclosure, and right now the F10 is drying up because I like to spray it on and leave it on and let natural air dry it. The longer you leave it on, the more bacteria and germs it eliminates. You know, don't just spray it on and wipe it off. You know, if you're just doing a bit of a spot clean and you put a little bit on a cloth and you wipe a little bit of an area and then you dry it off, you know, it's better than just using water to wipe over that spot. So, but anyway, yeah, take note of your snake's breathing rate. See what they're like. Take note of it. Write it down. Continue to observe that and see. Gee, came out today and I was rubbing whomever on the back and they were just laying there, chilled out and relaxed. Okay guys, take care of yourself and your family and your friends and your snakes and all your animals. Ciao.